After cleansing my mind, body, and soul with the spring water at the Tirtha temple, I was proceeding to my next destination,
Coffee
which is
and
a
a cup
coffee
of tea.
plantation.
This is the coffee tree.
Yeah.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes.
Later I will give you some coffees and teas inside to try.
Okay. Yesterday I already tried some coffees.
Ah. But now you want to see the house only? Or you want to try also?
I will try.
Yeah, of
No
course.
problem.
And we have durian. You know,
Ah,
you know
yes, yes,
durian?
yes, yes. Similar to jackfruit.
Yeah.
Jackfruit.
But this one is with the stinky smell.
Uh huh.
This is the ginger.
Okay.
Smell it?
Hmm.
But we don't use that the leaf, but we use the root
Root.
inside.
Yes.
We're using that for make tea.
Tea.
But you can try our ginger tea. And this, do you know mangosteen?
Mangosteen. I have seen in pictures, but
But
which
now
one?
it's not the season. There's only
Okay.
the trees there. But
Okay.
now it's not the season of the fruit. That's why you cannot see the fruit here.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. And then now here. Okay, and this will be how that's the Balinese traditional house or ancient house that's
Okay.
look
Okay.
like. But before we go inside to see like how we set up our house, I will telling you from the gate first here.
Okay.
This is the gate that we call angkul angkul.
Okay.
And the function of this angkul angkul is will be for the main entrance, for the door of the house, and also it's like the face of the house.
Okay.
That's why their position is always on the front over here.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, and then now let's become inside. Okay, and this one here, this is the wall here. That's we call it aling aling.
Uh-huh.
And the function of this aling aling here is will be for neutralize the negative energy.
Okay.
And also this aling aling here is like a barrier between the angkul angkul and the house. That's why when the people coming, they cannot see like what the families do it inside.
Okay.
It's like our
I've
privacy
seen
here.
Ganesha's statue in some houses
Yes.
in front.
Because the Ganesh statue is like symbolize of the protection also.
Okay.
That's why we will put it on it.
Okay.
This area, that one, the building we call it plantation. That one, the plantation, the
Okay, and now here, that's I will telling you that we do have this kind of the house in here.
Okay.
In totally, that we will have 4 type of different building. We
Okay.
do have on the east, north, west, and south.
Okay.
On the east here, that we call it Balidangin.
Uh-huh.
And then we will using that for ceremony.
Ceremony.
Yeah, and what ceremony we use here, this will be for human ceremony.
Okay.
And then on the north over here, that's we call it Gedong or Balidaja, that's we will use it for sleeping.
Okay.
But here it will be for the oldest.
Okay. Okay.
And then when you look at to the corner, that's the family temple.
Oh.
And here, like on the west over here, that we will use it for sleeping too, but for the youngest.
And then
Okay.
another building that
And then on the south, later I will show you, that's the kitchen.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, and let's we go over here.
the punching, the punching.
And usually in the ancient house that we will have the extra building that we will use for keep our traditional machine. And that's the luwak to make the luwak coffee. Yes. And it's here. Okay, I will show you of this here. This is the, oh sorry.
This
Be
is
careful.
luwak.
And this is the poo from the luwak. That's after we taking from the forest floor, it will be look like this. And then we need to doing like many steps of the processing, like we washing, drying, and also we open the skin because we take only the bean inside.
Okay.
Yeah, we need to do like this. And after that, we roast it. And if you want to know like what the special of the luwak coffee is, that because inside the stomach of the luwak they have like special enzyme. And that enzyme is will be neutralize the caffeine in the coffee. That's why when coffee comes from luwak, they have less in caffeine.
Okay.
And this one is just Balinese coffees. We do also this type of the spices here, like chili. We have turmeric, ginger, lemongrass, cinnamon. We do have like all of the thing here. Okay, and then now let me see for the last process. Okay, and then when we are roasting coffee here, that we're still doing manually like this. We still
Okay.
use firewood with the small fire, and that's why we need to take long time. Like 1 kilo of the coffee, that we need more or less 3 until 4 hours.
Okay.
Yeah, and And then here to make the powder, that's we're doing like this to make the powder. Okay, and after that we need to take from the small hole. We put it here and then we sift it like this to get the fine powder. And now you smell it. This is the Balinese coffee, and this one here is the luwak coffee.
Different.
Yes, big difference. Okay, and then over here we have also these activities. This is to make the offering. You want to try to make offering?
Okay. I'll try.
Okay, please, you can have sit here. And I will teaching you like this. Now you can hold this by your left hand. This is the coconut leaf.
Okay.
And then we pin it with bamboo stick. And then you put it this in the middle.
Middle.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this we call it tubungan. And this will be symbol of Trimurti. This mean three of the main god. Yes. And now you put this color first on here, on the north. Because this one is like a head, that's mean north.
Okay.
Yeah. And then you put it this white on the east. Okay, and this red on the south. Okay, and this you put on the west. And this the green one you put in the middle. Okay, finish. You wanna make picture with that?
Yeah.
House and inside you look like
Okay.
this, and we have a different
Okay.
And
These
maybe
are
later,
powders.
yeah. Maybe later if you like, and if you want to buy
sugar?
in the shop. No, it's not sugar inside.
Sugar free.
Yes.
Okay.
But the tea is with honey.
Okay. Okay. You add honey. Okay. This was another coffee plantation that I visited, and it is different from that we visited yesterday. The view from this plantation is full of greenery and very beautiful. These are various types of tea and coffee which I was served for the tasting. The difference in this plantation is that they have actually listed some benefits of the tea and coffee in a small chart and is kept near the testing sample. The Balinese people know how to promote tourism because after all tours they take the tourists to the coffee plantation, which will boost the production and sale of the coffees and tea. Like the coffee plantation we visited yesterday, here they sell chocolates, spices, tea and coffee. Next destination we are proceeding is the Goa Raja waterfall.
Okay. It's small road.
You have been here?
Not
Before?
yet.
No, first time here.
Yes.
Oh.
Goa Rancho.
This is Goa Raja waterfall, which is a hidden gem in the East Bali. This spot is easy to reach from Ubud and it has a big waterfall inside a cave, just like the name implies, Govaraja, meaning King Cave. The hike to the waterfall is short and it only takes about 15 minutes as you walk through a mossy green canyon. The track starts out steep, downhill for first few minutes, and then levels out for the rest of the way. And on the way you also will have to cross streams in one or two places, and the rocks can be very slippery, so be sure to wear grippy sandals if you are wearing sandals, or hiking shoes.
I'm free.
Oh, that side.
Yeah.
Natural. The changing room.
So I'll put it there like that. Don't take me close.
Oh. Careful. Spring water on them. ഒരു ഇതിൽ കെട്ടി വെച്ചിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ഇത് കുറേ പോണമല്ലോ അങ്ങോട്ടും. ഇത് ഒരു ട്രക്കാണല്ലോ. There are many bamboo bridges as you hike towards the cave. Tired?
Huh?
Tired?
Yeah, a little bit. Imagínate, ¿no?
Voy a hacer esa folia después.
Changing rooms ഉണ്ട്. At the end of the hike, you are rewarded with a big cave, waterfall, and a natural pool for swimming. This is the pool besides the waterfall, and the best time to visit the waterfall is somewhere outside the dry season, which runs from May to November. So This is the Govaraja waterfall that we were talking about, and beyond this waterfall, there is a small cave. I didn't go beyond the cave because I didn't get an extra pair of clothing. The waterfall is open from morning 8 a.m. till evening 6 p.m. It's best to arrive in the morning, and it's advisable to avoid the monsoon season from October to April and visit during the dry season from May to September to enjoy the waterfall without strong water flow or large crowds. Actually, this waterfall was included in my tour, which I booked from Get Your Guide, and it had one more waterfall tour, which is Grutukan waterfall. So here we are on our way to the next waterfall, that is the Gurudagan waterfall. This Grudugan waterfall is near to the Govaraja waterfall. It's hardly around 15 to 20 minutes from Govaraja waterfall. Are you prepared?
Yeah.
Like the other one only, no? Slippery? Slippery?
Yes.
Slippery?
Yes, you can bring.
Allah, no. Is it slippery? You will
No.
Then,
It's good.
Uh,
Boleh jalan Pak Tan dia? Tak. No.
okay, fine.
Maybe you need bring your clothes or.
No need. I'm not going to get wet because we have to go cover monkey forest first, so it's okay. I already got wet in the three days temple. Changing.
This Grudugan waterfall is known as a secret paradise because of its quiet, peaceful beauty, involving a decent thorough steps to reach the waterfall, which is situated in a narrow canyon. It is a secluded and a beautiful waterfall, offering a peaceful experience compared to most of the heavy tourist locations. Visitors will have to reach the waterfall by descending several steps into an open canyon and then passing through a narrow passage to get to the falls. It is considered a lifetime experience due to its hidden gem status and the short adventurous trip which is required to reach it.
Oh, it's difficult to climb up. Going down is easy, but coming up will be difficult. It will be very difficult. Slippery. Okay.
This is my guide who is accompanying me to the waterfall. The sound of the rushing water, breeze, and the chirping of birds create a natural harmony that captivates the heart of anyone who comes. The waterfall is surrounded by lush greenery, adding to the coolness and natural charm of the setting.
It's a hidden gems waterfall.
Oh,
Cause a lot of tourists come here.
Okay. Oh, go because I think this way is okay. എനിക്ക് പിന്നെ നനവാണ് ഇല്ലാത്തത് കൊണ്ടും ഓക്കെ ആ നമുക്ക് 50 മീറ്റർ ഇതൊന്നും വെള്ളത്തിലാണല്ലോ See, the Gurudugan waterfall has a distinctive feature with two waterfalls hidden among large rocky cliffs. The first waterfall is about 15 meters height and can be found after passing through a challenging rocky cliff path. Meanwhile, the main waterfall, standing at 12 meters tall, is located further away, approximately 100 meters from the entrance, and can only be reached by passing through a small tunnel and a natural cave. The uniqueness of the path leading to the main waterfall provides an extraordinary experience for the visitors. This is the first waterfall that you will see after entering the cliff path. No problem. This is good. This is good. കേവ് കൂടെ വന്നു സ്ഥലങ്ങളിൽ കൂടെ Now, this is the main waterfall, which is standing about 12 meters tall and which is located approximately 100 meters from the entrance. And this unique path is what provides us an extraordinary experience. The majestic cliffs which frames the area create a dramatic and a breathtaking atmosphere. Not only the waterfall but the rock formations around it also enhance the beauty of the location, making it a perfect spot to unwind and admire the wonders of the nature.
We are in Suzuka waterfall.
After taking some good photos and videos, we are on our way back to the entrance. The path is quite challenging, filled with slippery rocks and winding trails. Therefore, visitors are advised to wear comfortable and suitable footwear to ensure safe and enjoyable trip. My guide helped me take some good photos and videos, and these are some of the rest stops which are on the way to the waterfall. These facilities are a result of hard work of the local community, which manage this tourist destination independently. I'll come by this way. This is more safe, I think. But it's a bit difficult. Cave system. Okay. What is that sound? Oh, they are
The water
cutting.
over there, yeah. Water with the bamboo.
I think this is a dwarf honeybee hive. So, after visiting the two waterfalls, I'm on my way to the fifth destination on my day 3 at Bali.